That's right, you go in your fake house. Oh no, does she have a pile of food back there? I can hear her playing with it. Tiny, what are you doing, Tiny? I can see her peeking through. She's making that sound, Bri. Dude, she's like swimming. New little feet go. Yeah, she is nuts. I can't believe she's trying to put this all back together while I'm cleaning it. You're the one that wanted to stay in here while I cleaned. You want to go in your box? Awesome. I can't get over the sound she's making. I'm trying to pick up the sound. They make sounds. I never knew it before. There she is! Hi, Tiny! Can you hear her making that sound? Yeah, she learned how to make the sound.
Whoa, 3, 2, 108. At least the time on this stays correct. The one on our car cam doesn't work like that.
Yeah, this one I think changed the time too. Well, this says...
This doesn't. This never changes.
This
is
says
perfect.
105.
I mean, it changes, but just the way it's supposed to. Wait, where's my date and time set? Because it's wrong. Well, it's right, but it's wrong. It's showing me the year first, and then the month, and then the day, not like that. Date stamp. Date time.
Tiny got a new toy. Tiny, stop hiding. Look. It's fruit flavored.
You smell that up there?
No.
Yeah.
Tiny, you don't like your new toy? Your grandpa gave it to you.